Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the notification panel on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just download any notification panel style which you like. I will download this one, then tap on open. Now just enable Mi Control Center. From here, just give this app all these permissions. Just like that. Now just tap on Installed Apps and tap on Mi Control Center. Now just give this app this permission. Now just go back and enable notifications. Now just tap on OK. Now just tap on Allow. Now as you can see, this is how you can change notification panel on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.